Hello, I'm John, the creator of Speak British English. In this video, you're going to learn how to pronounce this phrase like a British native. You're also going to learn how you can get a month of free access to my online pronunciation school. Listen as I demonstrate. Block reward. Block reward. As you can hear, this phrase has 3 syllables with the stress on the first syllable. That means that the first syllable is pronounced high and the other 2 syllables are pronounced low. Listen again, this time I'll demonstrate very slowly. Block reward. Block reward. In the first syllable is the vowel sound O. This is a short monophthong. Let me demonstrate. O. Block. O. Block. Here are some other words that use this sound. On. Cough. Wad. Because. On. Cough. Wad. Because. To make this sound, use a mouth shape like this. As you can see, my chin is low and my lips are pushed outwards. For the right sound, keep the back of your tongue in a very low position. Watch again. O. Block. Block reward. In the second syllable is the sound Let me demonstrate. Reward. This is a weak syllable, so you don't need to open your mouth very much. Instead, you can go straight from the r sound to the w sound. Let me demonstrate. Reward. Reward. As you can see, I'm using this mouth shape. This is the same mouth shape that we use for the sounds f and v. The difference is that my tongue is curled back. I then drop my chin and push my lips forward into a tight circle. Watch again. Reward. Reward. The next vowel is the long monophthong or. Or, ward, reward. As you can see, to make this sound, I keep my chin low and push my lips forward into a small circle. This is very similar to the mouth shape we used for the consonant sound w. The difference is that for w, the lips squeeze tightly together, while for or, there's a bit of space between the lips, approximately enough for a finger. Watch as I demonstrate the transition from the w consonant to the vowel. War. War. Notice that I'm not moving my chin at all. Only my lips are moving, and only by a small amount. Watch again. War. Reward. Block reward. At the beginning of the phrase is the consonant cluster, bl. To do this correctly, start with your lips pressed tightly together, like this. Don't round your lips or push your lips forward. Then open slightly and touch your upper lip with the tip of your tongue. Watch carefully. Bl, block, bl, block. Make sure that you bring your tongue to your lip. Do not bring your lip to your tongue. Let me demonstrate. Bl, bl. If you find this too difficult, you can position your tongue further back behind your teeth. However, for the best technique, I encourage you to do it as I have just demonstrated. Watch again. Bl, bl. The next consonant is k. However, if you listen carefully, you'll notice that I don't actually make a k sound. Let me demonstrate. Blot. Blot reward. Blot. Blot reward. To achieve this effect, tense the muscles in your throat and put the back of your tongue into the k position. Then hold your tongue in that position before moving on to the r sound. Listen again. Blot. Blot reward. Blot. Blot reward. At the end of the phrase is the consonant d. However, again, I'm not really making a d sound. Instead, I put my tongue into the d position and then hold. Watch carefully. Reward. Blot reward. Reward. Blot reward. Do not tense your throat muscles as you do this. Let me demonstrate. War. Reward. Ward. Reward. To learn more about the sounds, concepts and techniques covered in this video, follow the link in the description to my online school. I currently have 4 courses covering all aspects of British pronunciation, with video lectures, quizzes, usage examples, vocal exercises and listening exercises. You can try all the courses for free, and full membership is available for only £15.97 a month. Use coupon code YouTube to get your first month free. Thanks for watching.